Hey everybody, it's Rich at RMAutodiag, and what we've got here is from the Vpecker review. Everyone's been asking about a lot of different cars. The Vpecker review does have about 10 different vehicles on there. So what I've done is I'm splitting it up into 10 different videos, and I'll put them all out, one for each vehicle, so you can watch each vehicle separately. If you want to check out the review, I'll put a card above, and you can see the full review, which obviously goes through the software and everything else about it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and here's the review. Okay, number 7, we've got a Subaru Impreza 2005. Let's see what it does. So this is only giving us later stuff. Other year. Let's go for an all system. Oh, it could take up to 5 minutes. Each system. Okay, we're in. What else have we got in here? Memorize codes and temporary codes. No fault codes. Okay. Data display. Let's try a few things here. Temperatures, voltages. It's not running, so that all looks good. System operation check mode. Don't know what that is. Okay. That is obviously some sort of special test to be done. Let's come back out of that. Let's have a look in ABS. That seems to ID it pretty quick. So G sensor fault code there, and we do have some bits and pieces where we can look at that and we'll see if something's illuminated. Okay, so it's off, which is off on the dash, yeah. And there is a value on that G sensor. We're not moving, so I doubt it's going to change. And let's go one more on this. Shall we go for airbag? No, no airbag. Has this got aircon? It does. Let's see if we can get into the aircon. Nothing on that either. Okay, so we managed to get into a few things there. On to the next one.